Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Log into your Hostinger account and verify your email so purchases process smoothly. Once done, make sure a payment method, card or PayPal, is set up and funded. This avoids interruptions during checkout. Next, search domain names using Hostinger's search bar. Type your primary choice and 2 backups because the exact match may be taken. While you search, watch suggested extensions and pricing. These affect renewal costs and availability, so pick with both branding and long-term cost in mind. Once you've prepared names, enter them into Hostinger's domain search and read availability results. Try variations or other TLDs if your first choice is taken. Make sure to compare registration price versus renewal price and check privacy protection fees, because low first-year offers can jump later. When you select a domain, add it to the cart and choose a registration length. 1 to 3 years often balances cost and convenience. After that, proceed to checkout and confirm contact details for Whois accuracy to avoid verification issues. You finish by completing checkout. Enter payment, confirm billing info, and approve Whois details. Respond to any verification emails promptly. Once purchased, set name servers, either Hostinger's or custom ones from your host, and save changes. DNS propagation can take up to 48 hours, so be patient. If you plan to connect hosting, point the domain now or use Hostinger's DNS records. If something goes wrong, check that your email was verified. Review payment status and confirm the domain isn't locked by a prior registrar.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.